Hi. I completed the workshop requiring to design a fuzzy logic design for understanding mortgage principles. So this workshop was really interesting and it showed me how to use fuzzy logic and membership functions to actually design and implement an AI system. We used Mamdani principles to design this fuzzy logic, and the inference system is Mamdani. And it was really interesting. The workshop was really interesting, and I learned a lot of things. Uh, this is the first time I worked with MATLAB online. I wanted to try it out and not install it on desktop, so I saw some like pros and cons of it. The pro is like you don't need to have a lot of processing power in the laptop, but the con is like once or twice I forgot to save, and if the internet connection drops, it's real trouble. So I designed each membership function for the first model using the workshop guidelines. It was very easy. So it has the step by step guideline for that. The next models were difficult because the guideline was not there in the workshop. I had to design it by myself, looking at the ranges, looking at the shapes of each membership function. So I realized, so in the workshop it only had one shape, but in the other models there were several shapes in each membership function. So I had to design that. I went through all to ensure that the rules and the parameters are set properly. I used the rule viewer and the surface viewer. So I didn't get 3 as requested to get an answer for the house evaluation, but I got 3.16. Earlier I got 3.7, then I realized there was a mistake with the membership function. So I adjusted it, then I rechecked, and it always pointed at 3.16. And I developed all other models and then got the answer for our sample test. So in the sample test, the model suggests a credit of 169,820 can be given. That is a safe credit uh, for an applicant of this the specific applicant. Um, the credit limit is 169,820. So it's really interesting. It's a very useful tool uh, in like for real time operations.